And you probably noticed I didn't cut my cords when I was closing up this dragon. I buried them in the dragon. It's because I want the body to stay secure and for these middle beads to not accidentally slip out over time or manipulation. Just keeps it all nicely integrated. Finally found a tree for Cash. Yay! I have finally finished the second Citron SDragon body. And it will glow in the dark. I don't think I can make it glow right now, but... No, it hasn't had enough light. But it will glow in the dark. And the litter box can switch sides. Very nice. Unlurk! Hi, Mousy! Back just in time for our raid. There you go. So those are the beads that will glow on this project. It does glow really nicely when it's all finished.